Hello, my name is Pearl Riverdale, and this is my audition for the frog. I'm a little nervous. I don't really know what frogs sound like, and last time someone asked it of me, I was not feeling great. I think I was almost dying, actually. My mom has this book on frogs, so I thought I'd head upriver and just see if I could listen to some of them. It was kind of hard to find which was which, because they all look pretty similar, but I actually found some of them. So I'm gonna do 6 different frogs. So here goes. Number 1, the desert rain frog. I'm sorry, there's someone else who's auditioning for the cat. Maybe I should have done that one. Number 2, red toad. They sound kind of spooky. Number 3, the tinker reed frog. Something like that. Number 4, banded rubber frog. Number 5, bush squeaker. This cat is very cute, but it's kind of in the way of my audition. Is this gonna ruin my chances of getting accepted? Number 6, natal cascade frog. Very strange frog. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you liked my audition for the frog, and thank you so much for considering me for this opportunity. I could really use the experience.